nothing to do to save his life. Call his wife and nothing to say but what a day. How's your boy been? Nothing to do, it's up to you. I've got nothing to say but it's okay.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, yeah.
Going to work, don't wanna go. Feeling low down, heading for home, you start to roll.